Good day, ma'am. I'm just Belot lang from this IT1C. And in this reflection, I'll explain how probability distributions help predict outcomes in IT systems. Many IT events like login attempts, network delays, or system error happen randomly but still follow patterns. To measure these patterns, we use probability distributions, for example, the Poisson distribution, with the formula of P of x equals K equals E to the negative lambda times lambda to the K over K factorial. Let us compute how many events like user login may happen in a specific time. We also use the exponential distribution with the formula of f to t equals lambda times e to the negative lambda t. So to predict the time between events such as system failures or requests. By doing this calculations step by step, we understand how likely certain loads or errors are. These models help IT team plans server capacity, improve reliability, and detect unusual activity. In short, probability distributions turn uncertainty into useful predictions, helping systems run more efficiently and smoothly. So overall, probability distribution help IT systems predict uncertain events by providing formulas to model login attempts, network delays, or system errors. Using formulas like the Poisson distribution with the formula of P of x equals K equals E to the negative lambda times lambda to the K over K factorial. The exponential distribution f to t equals lambda times e to the negative lambda t. IT teams can compute the probability of events step by step. These computations show how likely certain loads or errors are, helping with capacity planning, error detection, and improving system reliability. Overall, probability distributions turn random IT events into measurable insights, leading to better performance and decision making. That's all, man. Thank you.